Hi! Looking for a quick, high-protein breakfast that looks as amazing as it tastes? This Superfood Oatmeal Bowl is creamy, colorful, and takes just minutes to make. We are making a beautiful and nutritious oatmeal bowl using steel-cut oats cooked in the Instapot, hands-free and ready while you prep your toppings. Start by mixing oats, coconut milk, salt, and cinnamon in a steel bowl. Pop it into your Instapot with water. And cook for just 2 minutes on high pressure. Let it vent naturally. Super easy! Once done, mix in more coconut milk and add a scoop of protein powder and mix it all up to get the right consistency. Add maple syrup and a touch of vanilla. Now it's creamy, fragrant, and delicious. Now for the toppings. Add goji berries, raisins, sunflower and pumpkin seeds, almond flakes, and fresh fruits like blueberries, strawberries, and banana slices. Look at those colors! This bowl has 25 grams of protein, tons of fiber, and superfoods. Perfect for meal prep or a weekend family brunch. Tasty, wholesome, and so easy to put together. Let me know in the comments how you would build your own bowl. See you next time with more healthy recipes.